Today, let's solve an interesting exponential equation. The equation is as follows. 5 times 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 80. It might seem a bit complicated at first glance, but we'll solve it step by step. First, we need to understand the structure of the equation. We have 5 times 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 80. Our goal is to find the value of x that makes this equation true. Let's start by isolating the exponential part of the equation. To do this, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. So we have 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 80 divided by 5. We know that 80 divided by 5 equals 16. Therefore, the equation now is 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 16. Now, we need to remember that 16 can be written as a power of 4. We know that 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 16. Therefore, we can rewrite the equation as 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 4 raised to the power of 2. When we have an equation where the bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal to each other. This gives us x plus 1 equals 2. This is a crucial step because it simplifies our exponential equation to a linear equation. To find the value of x, we need to isolate x, so we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Thus, we get x equals 2 minus 1. Simplifying, we find that x equals 1. Let's quickly recap. We started with the equation 5 times 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 80. We divided both sides by 5, obtaining 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 16. We recognize that 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2. We set the exponents equal to each other, resulting in x plus 1 equals 2. Finally, we subtracted 1 from both sides of the equation, finding that x equals 1. This process of solving exponential equations involves isolating the exponential part, recognizing powers and setting exponents equal to each other. It is a useful skill in many mathematical problems. Keep practicing to become familiar with different types of exponential equations. This not only helps solve problems more quickly, but also improves overall mathematical understanding.